Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8 on RockyLinux 9. The process is same for RockyLinux 8 also. MySQL installation is simple, so command is sudo dnf install MySQL -server. Type Y for confirmation. See, it is going to install MySQL server, and also it is going to install these dependencies. Type Y and hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL server. Now verify whether MySQL is started or not. Sudo Ctrl L to clear screen. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, we have installed MySQL 8 database server and it is not started. Also service is disabled. First step is we have to enable the service. So give the command why we have to enable. Whenever Linux machine restarts, MySQL will automatically restarts without manual. Sudo systemctl enable MySQL D. MySQL D is the service name. See, it has created symlink. Now again verify whether we have successfully enabled or not. See, we have successfully enabled MySQL service, but still it is inactive or dead. So we have to start the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl MySQL status MySQL D. Sorry, I have to give start. Verify again. See, MySQL service is started. Okay. Now we have to run the MySQL script. That is sudo MySQL _secure installation. This is the script which comes with MySQL server installation. Hit enter. Type Y. I am going with low. Then provide the password for MySQL root user. S again S all done. Now connect to MySQL server by running the command MySQL -u username is root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server. Let's verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the 4 databases or the schemas comes with MySQL installation. Let's verify the MySQL version that we have installed. Run the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL 8.0.32. See, it is also saying it is going to install 8.0.32. That is the latest version available for RockyLinux. If you want to quit from this MySQL, you have to give exit command. Or if you want to create database, you have to create database, then database name. We have successfully created. Let's verify. Show databases. See, new database, that is R2 schools, has been added. Suppose if you want to switch to this new database and create objects in that one, we have to use this use command and database name. Put the semicolon at the end of the statement. Now create table. Ctrl L to clear screen. Create table student sname int sname varchar. Is typo. Show tables. See, we have only one table that we have created now. Now insert data into this table by using the command insert statement. Insert into table name. Here table name is student. Values, then again insert one more record, a row. Let's verify data from this table. See, we have two rows or tuples or records inserted into this table. If you want to exit, give exit command. Suppose if you want to restart the MySQL service, then use the command sudo systemctl restart and service name. Here service name is MySQL D. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Verify. See, we have started 9 seconds ago. The same way, if you want to stop, use the same sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify again. See, it is inactive or dead. 6 seconds ago we have stopped it. Now try to connect to MySQL D. Give the password. See, cannot connect to local MySQL server through socket because it is stopped. Now start it again. Now again try to connect. See, we have successfully connected. Exit from this one. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL D on RockyLinux 9. The process is same for all RockyLinux versions. Okay. For more MySQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.